All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean here with another problem for some fun. And I actually realized I need to write in some of this that I didn't write in because um I wasn't able to. This should say pi over 3 here. And let me put the little arc symbols and we're gonna get into it. All right. So I like to post these problems for just fun and even for SAT practice. So if you have a young person who needs SAT practice, make sure they subscribe. Make sure you have them subscribe to my channel or you subscribe if you're a parent of a college-bound high schooler. Anyhow, let's get into it. All right, points A and B lie on a circle with radius 1. An arc AB has a length of pi over 3. What fraction of the circumference of the circle is the length of arc AB? All right, so let's draw a picture here first and foremost. Let me see, since I can actually draw shapes, I'll draw a, a actual circle-like shape with the tool. All right. Excuse me, so here we go. So this is a circle with radius 1. You know, radius is half of the diameter. So this is 1. Okay. And then arc AB has a length of pi over 3. Okay. So we'll just say that, and I'm just going to draw it here. Let's say this is arc AB. And so we know this arc has a length of pi over 3. Okay. So the thing about arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle. The circumference being like essentially kind of like the perimeter of a circle. Now, you got to remember, and I haven't looked at the answer, by the way. We'll look at the answer after we solve this. Circumference of a circle, I'm about to write the wrong thing. The formula to find that is 2 pi r. So 2 times pi times the radius, okay? So what fraction of the circumference of the circle is the length of arc AB? So first of all, the circumference of this circle being 2 pi r, the radius is 1, so the circumference of this circle is just going to be 2 pi, okay? Now, because this arc is pi over 3, the fraction of the circumference of the circle represented by arc AB, the length of arc AB is going to be pi over 3 over 2 pi. So the arc length over the total circumference. Now, we need to simplify this. So that's going to be, so remember that we can write that as pi over 3 times 1 over 2 pi. Okay, pi over 3 divided by 2 pi is going to be pi over 3 times 1 over 2 pi. The pi's cancel out here. So this is going to be 1 over 6. So this arc is 1/6 of the circumference of the circle. And so let's confirm that that's correct here. Okay, yes, 1/6. All right. So this particular site I got it from said it described this as one like a hard SAT problem. But as you see, as long as you remember the formula, it's really not hard at all. It's not hard at all. Okay. So make sure you stay tuned for more problems like this. I encourage you to join one of my free SAT math workshops because we really get into detail in there about how you should approach the SAT or practicing for the SAT strategically and specifically talking about the math portion, so that you can get your score to 600 or higher, get into the schools you want to get into, and increase your chances for getting a lot of scholarship money. Okay, y'all. Y'all have a good one.